Deep in a grassy meadow, fireflies blinked on and off like tiny stars, but one little firefly, Flick, couldn't seem to get his light working. He buzzed around, frustrated, bumping into his friends who were lighting up the night. "Why won't my light turn on?" Flick cried. "Don't worry," Flick said Luna, a wise firefly with a gentle glow. "Sometimes firefly lights need a little recharge. Maybe you just need some nectar." Flick followed Luna to a patch of beautiful wildflowers. He dipped his tiny straw-like mouth into a sweet blossom, sipping the sugary nectar. He zipped around, feeling full of energy, but his light remained stubbornly dark. "Oh no," Flick whimpered. "What if I'm never able to shine again?" A ladybug landed on a nearby leaf. "Have you tried a happy song, little one?" she asked kindly. "Sometimes a joyful tune can help spark a firefly's light." Flick thought for a moment. He closed his eyes and sang a little song his grandma used to sing to him about the twinkling stars. As he sang, a warm feeling spread through his tiny body, and then a flicker. A tiny yellow light blinked on Flick's behind. He gasped. He sang again, and his light grew brighter and brighter. Soon he was shining just as beautifully as his friends. Flick buzzed around the meadow, joining his friends in their dazzling light show. He learned that night that even when things seem dark, a little patience, a sweet treat, and a happy song can light up your way.